Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry I've been away for, will I say, 3-4 months. It's been a long time. I have been busy with something, and coupled with the fact that I can't even create content, so my main channel is something I try to be more active in because that's where I have the huge audience. But still, I abandoned it as well as abandoning this one and even my lifestyle channel. But it's fine, I'm back. So I'm trying to look for a more better way to make this page more fun, because I've seen that people are no longer interested in the kind of content I upload here, which is relationship related. Funny enough, my main channel is where I create sex related videos. My intentions of creating those videos are basically for married couples. That is why I have a second page, because people always say this is demonic, you don't teach this, you don't do that, you are promoting fornication and all that. Yes, I have a relationship channel whereby the singles can learn. Then when you get married, you can graduate to my main page and learn a few. But when I create content here about relationship and trying to bond that is not sex related, nobody comes to watch. But when I create sex, that's when they'll come and start preaching to me. Enough of the rants. I'm looking for a more productive way to be creating content on this page and not just talk about just relationship, because I want to carry everything, both relationship and sex, to my main page. Now I thought of something. I was thinking of creating just shorts, and because I don't want to abandon this page, but now something came to my head and I'm like, let me try this out for this month of November and see how it goes. I want to play around with something and see how effective it's going to be, to know what people will get out of this, because I can't be creating the same thing I'm creating there here. I'm thinking of a day I can start going live on YouTube. So let me make a practice here first and see how it will go before I can consider going live on YouTube. I want to be asking questions. I'm going to be coming every time I come. I'll bring up one question and I'll ask you people. So now this channel is going to be where you get to teach me. I want to learn things. I want to know what is in your mind. I want to not just put out my own narrative. I want to hear from you as well. So the question I'm going to be asking today is, how do you see a girl that gives out her cookie on a first date? I want this channel to be now interactive. I'm going to just be coming here and I'll ask you questions and I'll tell you what I think about it. Then we start from there. You tell me, so we continue the discussion in the comment section. If it becomes too much, I'll create a content on it. This is a question I've asked someone, and basically this question is for guys. How do you see a girl that gives out her cookie on a first date? The both of you just met. On a first day of meeting, you guys knacked. How do you see her? Do you see her as a slut? Do you see her as a responsible or irresponsible person? Why would you give it out on a first date? Do you see her as still nice person? Is there anything that you have in mind of her? The person I asked gave me the reply. It doesn't matter if you give out the cookie on a first date. What matters is actually my intentions coming to you that you might not know. If my intentions is to date you and take you serious, from that first day, even if you give out your cookie, that it doesn't mean anything. It's as we progress forward, the kind of person that will make me to know how to label you, and not because you give out your cookie on a first date. And someone else still told me, was like, why will you give out your cookie on a first date? Obviously you are cheap, because you are too cheap to get. On a first date, you've given me the cookie, that means you're cheap. So you see different people with their different mindsets of different things. I want to know what you think about this. Please tell me, should I give you my honest answer? If I should answer from my own understanding, I'll say there's nothing wrong in it. It depends on how people connect. There are people that maybe they've been chatting on WhatsApp, or they've just been talking on phone and chat for a very long time, maybe for like 2 months. The both of you have connected and you're comfortable around that person, that you can tell them anything. It feels like the both of you have known each other for ages. So when the both of you now decide to finally meet, giving out that cookie is not anything. But I'll find it a problem when I just met you today, and that same day you're telling me let's go out, and then you want to eat the cookie. That same day, we just met today, I don't even know your name, I don't even know where you're from, and then you expect me to give you cookie that day. I think that one is off for me. I don't think I can do that. But I won't label you an ash, because some women don't really care. They just want to have the fun. then if you decide to take them serious, it's on you. How will you see a girl that gives out her cookie on a first date? Let's go.